Are you looking to build a website for your lawn care business without breaking the bank? I've got good news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this simple professional website for a lawn care business for just $9 a month. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to come up with copy that is going to help your business rank, how to create a logo for free or cheap, how to integrate your reviews and access photo libraries, drive more leads, and attract more local customers for your lawn care business for just $9 a month. Let's jump right in. After you start your free trial for Mighty Sites, and the link is down below in the description, you're gonna go right here and just search for lawn care, right? So you're just gonna search for lawn care business and it's gonna pop up. I'm gonna select that. And let's say Keegan's Denver Lawn Care Service. Just put that as my name. And type of business, it's a service business. Where is this? Denver, Colorado, United States, right? And you can see people are always starting to build Mighty Sites even as I'm doing this demo. Then I'm going to plug in my information and it's going to launch my template for me. So we're already off and running with you getting closer to having a website just by putting in that information. This gives me a little tutorial. You can go through and click through this. It might be helpful, but it's going to cover basically some of the same things I'm showing in this video of just how to update different sections of the site and what those look like. And then at the very end of this, you can see some examples of some really cool Mighty Sites that people have built using the platform, because it's really flexible to create a nice look and feel no matter what type of business you're after. So I'll just X that out. Here we go. Now I've got my template all set, and then I've got my update section. So I'm ready to go to start making my website. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this button, update section, and then I'm going to put in a little bit more information. So I'm going to put in my phone number because I want leads to call me. So there's my phone number. It just automatically populates there. You might want to put in your email address too. So I'm going to put in my email address right here and click on save. And then click on show email on the site right there. So now it shows on the site. You can choose whether or not you want that to show there. If you want your physical address, if you have an office or something, you can go ahead and plug that in too. It's up to you. I can go over here and add my social links. So you just copy and paste your Facebook page, your Instagram page. I'll just put facebook.com/Mighty Sites. And then you just save that, and now your social media links will automatically show up there with the right logo. So that's all you have to do to start getting your contact information on there. We make it so your contact is on every page, so you can see it's at the top. And then whatever contact information you put in is also going to show up in the footer of your site. If I want to change the colors of this too, I can go over here and I can switch the color theme. So if I want it to be like any of these different color palettes, I can switch around. You can also just change this at any time if you want. So if you like a certain color palette a lot, you can go through and switch these up and kind of change the color palettes around to fit whatever look and feel you're going for the site. This gray one's pretty nice. There's this black one. It really changes the look and feel. I'll probably just go with like the navy by default for now. There's my color theme, pretty well set, but you can change that too. Definitely want a logo. If you don't have a logo, let me show you this. So just go to Canva, create a design, click on logo, and then right over here you can see I've got like some logos that show up. So I'm just gonna do lawn care. This is cool. I'll just take this one right here and then I'll change this to Keegan's. And then let's see, there we go. Keegan's lawn, instead of lawn mower, I'll just call it lawn care. All right, cool. There's my logo. So I'm actually gonna download this now, and then I'm going to make it a transparent background. So here comes Keegan's Lawn Care logo downloading for me. And then I'm going to go right over here and upload my logo. And now I'm going to show you a few cool things that this platform includes. So now I've got my logo, it's uploaded. I'm just going to click on save. Now my logo's there. Now I can click on make it bigger or smaller, but there's usually a lot of like room around my logo. So I'm just going to click on this pencil button and I'm just going to zoom this in like this so that I can crop this. And there's tons of tools for editing images all right here built into Mighty Sites, but I'm just going to crop that down and then let that re-upload and then click save. And now you can see it's automatically bigger. So it got rid of some of the padding that was around it. And so now I'll just kind of make it like that and then close it. Now, if I want to, I can also update the layout. So I'll update the design here. switch the layout option. Let's just say I want it to look like that. I can switch it. So if I just want my logo with my nav underneath, that's just a design choice that you can make. But I'll go back to the default for now and save that change. So here we go. Now you can see it's laid out this way. Okay, looking pretty good so far. Now, if I want to change any of this, so if you haven't seen my video on like free booking software, if you just want people to book with you, you can just link to that from there. So check out that Mighty Sites video. But otherwise, if I click on this, it's just gonna go to the lead form. You can also edit your lead form. I'm gonna update my lead form to click on address, because if you're a lawn care business, you probably wanna know where their address is. So I just clicked on that little button, and now your lead will tell you name, email, phone, address, and then their message when they're going to book your service. So that can go to wherever you want it to. I just have it going to the lead form, but when you click on this, you go to update action, and this is your button right here, request a free estimate. You can choose if it goes to another website, like a booking form, if you just want them to click to call, if you want it to go to like a PDF with your rates or something, or just any other section of your website. But for now, I'm gonna leave that as just going to my lead form. That's a pretty common thing that people do, and you'll get all the leads on the back end of your system, of your site. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to update any of the content, that's really easy to do. You can just go in here, type in something new that you want, or a new copy, like this is a test, right? So you just type it in and it's going to show up right there on your page. Super straightforward and simple. This is the easiest platform to use, in my opinion. With any of these sections, you can update it the same way to edit any of your services that you offer. And then here's what I like to do here that I think is important. We've included this Elf Site widget code. So I showed you Canva for getting a logo. Now I'm going to show you Elf Site, and I'm just going to go into my account here. You can see I've got a Google Reviews widget. I'm just going to click on install and copy the code. It's really straightforward and easy to use. Then I'm just going to go over here, paste the code, save the widget. And again, the link to Elf Site is down below too, so you don't have to remember that. Once I paste it in, I'm just going to go up here to stop editing mode, and then I'll be able to see what the front end of the site looks like. And there we go. Now I've got my Google reviews for my business included right there on my site, which is pretty super for business. So you can see we're off and running already. You can tweak any of this content, but you're getting close to having a good looking website that you can launch and looks professional and represent your business already and can get you leads. What I'm going to do next though is I'm going to activate editing mode again. And now I'm going to build out a few straightforward, simple pages for my lawn care business. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a new page to my site. I'm going to show you how to do this and one trick that you should include as well. So I'm going to add the lawn mowing. All right. And so I'm going to add that new page to my site. Right here, as I go to update section, I'm going to need to add it to my menu. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to add two things to my menu. So I'm going to add a home button, and then I'm going to choose that goes on my website just to the home section, confirm, add it to menu, and then move that up to the top. And then I'm going to add my mowing page, which I just created, and that should link to my new lawn mowing page, which is right down here. I'm going to add that to my menu, and then I'm going to scroll up. I'll put that right beyond services. So I'm now going to save my menu updates. Now you can see I've got my home, about, services, mowing. So I'm just going to click on mowing now. And here's my mowing page. So I'm going to activate editing mode so that I can make some edits to this. Now, what I'm going to do, this is fine, but I kind of want to use a picture of a lawnmower. So I'm going to go to update image, and I've actually got, you can browse your computer. You can search from this library of images that are preset for you to use. I'm just going to use this image of a lawnmower there. So I'm going to save that image and then close. So now I've got a picture of a lawnmower. All those images, there's thousands of images. They're all built into the system for you to use and pre-licensed that are okay for you to use on your site. Now what I did is I just went to ChatGPT. I said, write a headline, subheadline, and body copy for my lawn care business, for my lawn mowing and edging page of my website. I offer this in Denver, Colorado, so optimize the copy for local SEO, right? And so then they gave me this one. I thought, then I said, do the same content, but add emojis to it. That's up to you if you want it, but I'm going to do that so you can see, all the flexibility you can do with ChatGPT. So now I'm going to update this section, and I'm going to update the content part and put in this headline with an emoji. Again, that's, you can or don't have to do that, but I just thought it might spice up the look a little bit. So I'm just going to copy the content and go there, and then I'll just put Keegan's lawn care. All right, and then I'm just gonna create a little bit more spacing here and then save the content. So now when I close it, now you can see here is my lawn mowing and edging page. And then you can add, if you want to add prices under this or anything like that, you can as well. Here's the other thing I'm going to add. Let's just find a lawn care business on Facebook and go to lawn care. Here, Weedman's Lawn Care. Cool. Let's just see if they have Facebook reviews. They do. So I'm just going to go over here, copy this link, go back to Elf site, and I've got a Facebook reviews widget already going here. So I'm just going to edit it. And right here, I'm just going to delete that and pop in this one. So now it's checking out the reviews from Facebook. So I've got my Google reviews on the homepage. I thought it'd be nice to include my Facebook reviews. Now, while that's loading, I'm just going to show you. Elf site has just everything, right? So if I go to Elf site, their widgets, they have photo galleries, they have social feeds, LinkedIn feeds, they have tools that you can use, like embeds, sliders, restaurant menu. So you've got all types of things that you can include here and add to your website. So you just go through and pick whichever one you want and add it to your website. It's super straightforward and easy to do. Looks like these Facebook reviews. So I'm just going to click on publish, and then I can close that. Now I just click on install, copy the code, go back here, update section, paste it in, save it, close. And so now you can see if I stop editing mode, now I've got a really nice page so far. But what I'm going to do is go back here to activate editing mode. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to update right here. I'm going to add get in touch. We'd love to quote you for lawn mowing services. You can type in whatever you want. I'm just going to update that, save it. I'm going to update this form to include address too, because you want to make sure they're in your service area. And now you can even put, some more copy under there too. It's just up to you, if you want to update and add more context or change the design even just by changing the colors and things too. So now I've got a pretty nice page. I'll just stop editing mode again. Show you now I've got a pretty nice page about my lawn mowing service, call to action form, reviews from Facebook, some nice content about what I do. Again, you can use ChatGPT. You don't have to. You can type that yourself. You can add your prices in here or whatever you want to do. This is all helping search engines know what you do too. So now I've got my homepage. I've got copy on there. I've got my services all listed on the homepage with a button that links to that. Now I've got my mowing page. And now I'm going to build a few more pages in the same way. And I'll show you that part when I'm done. Okay, so thanks for joining me. Now we've completed the website. I'm just going to show you one more thing before we go. If I click here on Site Dashboard, this is the back end of your site that you're going to have access to. You go right here to connect your domain. You can buy a domain through us or just connect the domain you own. And then you can also go here to update your social links or your location in the back end. And then as you get leads, they will come in here. And then we've also got this really handy guide. So click here that talks about what you should do step by step to attract more local leads for your business. You've got an inbox. If you're getting spam leads, you can move them and mark them as in the spam folder and then delete leads that you no longer need in your system. With that, I'll go back to updating the Mighty site again that you just built, and we just built together. You can take this as far as you want with the easiest, cheapest platform for a lawn care business to get a professional website online. This whole website costs just $9 a month.